Nikki and Teo went on a work trip together and she shared a video of her and Teo going on the trip. He seemed very exhausted and didn't want to talk or say hi to the camera. It looked like he was also missing Artem because he is back to work. So Nikki took him to the park later to cheer him up. Bella is planning on trimming Buddy's long hair, but Bryan doesn't want her to. Buddy looks very cute in his long hair. He was also spending time with Bryan when he got back from work. He was jumping around in excitement. Bryan was making Buddy do animal noises and he looks absolutely adorable making those noises. He then hugged Bryan and gave him a kiss. The father-son duo is very adorable.
Okay, Bryan, have him do his little animal noises.
What did the cow say? Ooh. Sheep says ba. Cat says meow. Can you say meow? Meow, meow, meow.
Good boy.
Yeah. Pig says wink.
Nope, I'm gonna take them down instead. Oh, sweet but good. Good job. Now he's gonna wrestle.